I'm out here taking a walk, and what do I discover? You see, this is a palm tree. And then you have around the base of the palm tree, it's a bush of some sort. I don't know its name. I'm not very good at knowing plants' names. But it's growing up and around this palm tree. And then we have another tree growing. Take a look. Take a look. Growing out of the base of the palm tree. So I'm going to give you an example over here. Take a look at this. This is the same thing. This is another palm tree. And then you've got the bushes that are growing around it, through it. And then this is another vine that has taken root in it. But you see the base of the tree, you have all these leaves that get caught up in the fronds. You see this was a branch of the palm tree. And then the branch collects all kinds of debris, which then turns into soil. And then things like vines and trees grow out of it. That's very interesting. Very, very interesting. See, look over here. I mean, it looks nice. You've got the palm tree, and then you've got this bush growing around it. The palm tree becomes a planter. Now that's an idea. Imagine if you had a palm tree like this, and then you put some soil, you know, where the branches, the fronds come out that you chop off. You can grow strawberries, you could probably grow anything in there. That is definitely an idea. Look over here. You see this? Look over here. Look. You see? That's an example of what I mean. There's a little pocket of soil, and from that pocket of soil, these trees are growing. You see that? I think being trees, they're probably not going to get very far. But the idea is you could use these pockets. That is pretty cool. Each one of these was a branch. Okay, these fronds. And then these branches, you know, these cracks and crevices collect debris, as you see here. There are all kinds of things in there. And then that debris composts down and becomes soil. Imagine if you were to put soil, you know, this is composted down, but let's say you put soil in these cracks and crevices. Imagine if you planted vegetables there. You could plant strawberries, you could plant lettuce, you could probably get away with planting a lot of things. And so your palm tree becomes a planter. And it doesn't have to be vegetables. You can plant flowers there. You can plant flowers. You can plant pretty much anything. That's an interesting idea. Essentially, all we have to do is get a little creative. And the possibilities just start to flow straight into our heads. Look at that. That's very interesting. An idea. I'm going to see if there's some opportunity to try that experiment. But I know it will succeed. Because if trees will grow from these little crevices, then I'm quite certain that other things will as well. Until next time.